welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So today I'm going to be doing a video on 4 ways I style different bags. So I have 4 different bags to show you guys. They're all from the brand Burten Hyde. Burten Hyde is like a new brand that have just launched and they sell lots of different bags, all for really affordable prices. I think the 4 bags I got add up to a total of like less than $100. So yeah, really good prices. So I'll be showing you the 4 different bags and then the outfits that I would style them with. And this video is very kindly sponsored by them, but of course all opinions are my own, and yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Also, if the intro and outro of this video looks a little bit different to the middle part, that's because I came to edit this video and realised I was not filming the intro or the outro, so I've had to get ready the next day with the same hair and makeup and outfit and refilm the intro and outro. So yeah, I hope you appreciate the effort. So the first bag I'm going to be styling is this one here, which I think is probably one of my favourites. So it's just a little white rucksack kind of bag, and it's made of a super nice material. It's kind of like faux leather and it has gold hardware, which I love. And then you just open it like that, and then inside it has like a drawstring kind of thing, but you can just open it all up and fit so much stuff in there. This you could fit like your phone, your earphones, your makeup, your sunglasses, maybe a bottle of water, just yeah, so much stuff would fit in this. So I absolutely love it, and I paired it with a super casual outfit. So the top I'm wearing is from ZARA and it's just like a nude camel slogan tee, and then I'm wearing it with my favourite shorts from ZARA as well, and then these new look trainers. Right, now we have this little black bag here. Again, this is something I take around with me on an everyday basis. It fits so much stuff in it, but also looks amazing. It's got this kind of textured pattern on it. It's got gold hardware, which I love. And then the inside just looks like that. So you've got some like compartments for your phone and a little compartment here to put money in and stuff. And it's also got 2 little compartments at the front, so you've got one there and then one at the back. And I love bags with little compartments because I often just chuck a load of things in my bag and then things just get lost at the bottom. So this way I can put different things in the different compartments and nothing's going to get too lost or anything like that. And then it's got a long strap, which I like to wear kind of on my shoulder or cross body, but you can take off the strap and just hold it like a little clutch. But I styled this bag with some white ZARA trousers, a little white ribbed top that's also from ZARA, a denim jacket which is from Topshop, and then my new look trainers again. So I think this has got to be one of my favourite bags in this little haul thing. So it's in a really nice grey colour, and the texture of it is super nice and just feels such good quality. And then inside, that's kind of what it looks like. So it has lots of little compartments again, which I love. So this one has this middle compartment in the middle, if you can see. So you can put things either side, and then also in the little middle bit, which I love. But yeah, this is such a good little bag that you just wear on an everyday basis, and it also does come with a strap, so you can wear it crossbody if you want and just attach it to these little things. So because this bag is a little bit more dressy, I decided to style it with some little black leather shorts which are from Topshop, and then a cropped white long sleeve top which is from Misguided, and then these little like sandal heel things which are from ZARA, but I bought them like years ago, so I don't think they sell them anymore. Right, last bag. So this one, it's like a grey, but it's got a blue hint to it, which I love. So this one comes with a long strap as well, so you can wear it cross body, but it also comes with just a little strap if you do want to just hold it. But yeah, I absolutely love this bag, and I love the little zip that has tassels. So just open it like that, and then this is inside. Again, it has little compartments to put your phone and stuff in, which is great, and it also has a little compartment at the front, and then this little bit at the back. Again, again, it's super good quality, it feels amazing. So I styled this bag with this white off-the-shoulder top from Pretty Little Thing, and then black Farley jeans, I think from ASOS, yeah. And then also my New Look trainers again, because I wear them so much. Really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.